So Wes was getting ready to reassemble the cluster on Kent's Monaco, and there was 2 pins that were bent and halfway broken. So of course then they came off right in Wes's hand. So we got one fixed up already. He's pre-tinning the second right now. He's good at this shit, just so you guys know. Alright, tabs are soldered. New bulbs everywhere. This cluster's ready to go back in. Wesley's on it. Cluster's back in. Glove box is back in. Getting all the rest of the wiring hooked up. Looking good, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Wes got all the interior back together. That's ready to go. One minor situation up here is our new evaporator threads are a little boogered on the end. So I have the right die coming. There it is right there. So we're gonna fix that up, make that nice. Put a little chamfer on it. We'll get them to go. We know that our line is good. We checked it on the old one. Everything's good in there. So it's just gonna be some little stuff. We'll come over here Thursday morning, knock it out. Kent should be riding in style with the air on.